In this video, I'll show you how to sign up on Bluesky. So open up your Bluesky. So click on this create account. So this is what's going to say. Click on create account. Come on here. So I'm going to use for test tutorials. So I use for just tutorial purposes. So I'm going to enter these details. So I'm going to select a username. So I'm going to use test. So I'm going to click on next. So I'll click on don't allow. So I'm going to click on continue. So I think I'll just select any of these. So I'll click on continue. Skip. So I just created a Bluesky account. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe.